Welcome to the UK's largest holiday park, Parkdean Trecco Bay. We'll explore everything this incredible destination has to offer, from its golden beaches, family-friendly attractions, to its cosy accommodations. Whether you're planning your next getaway or just curious about this holiday hotspot, this video has you covered. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to bring you along with me today as we're going to explore the incredible Parkdean Trecco Bay. If you're looking for the ultimate UK family holiday or a fantastic UK staycation, then you've come to the right place. This channel will be exploring holiday parks and seaside resorts up and down the UK. Now, Trecco Bay is Parkdean's flagship resort, which boasts an unbelievable range of activities, entertainment and amenities, making it the perfect destination for families, couples and even those bringing their furry friends along for a UK holiday. Let's check it out. So this is the entrance to the site, and Parkdean Trecco Bay is actually an open site, which means you can just walk on or drive on. You can even catch the bus and it will literally bring you onto the holiday park, so you don't have to drive. So if you don't drive, that's a handy way for you to get here. Now, the check-in process here at Parkdean Trecco Bay is a little bit different from some other holiday parks. Unlike the paperless check-ins that you might find elsewhere in places like Haven, here you still have to head to the main reception, which is actually at the top of the site, close to the beach. And check-in is where you'll collect your caravan keys and your welcome pack. Now, be prepared for a bit of a queue. The queue process was about 30 minutes to check in the blistering heat. It wasn't pleasant. Unlike Haven, where you check in at the entrance, at Trecco Bay, it's a bit of a jaunt to the reception and it's up at the top. I'll show exactly where later on as we tour the site. On check-in, I said you'll receive your holiday pack, which is your Bible for the next few days. It's filled with a site map and a magazine detailing all the activities on offer and all their prices. Trust me, you're going to want to familiarise yourself with this to make the most of your stay. You'll also receive your hub passes, which are usually included in the cost of your holiday. Now let's talk accommodation. Parkdean offers a brilliant selection of caravans to suit all needs and budgets, ranging from their comfortable value options right up to luxurious platinum and spacious lodges. They also offer dog-friendly and wheelchair accessible options too, and the whole site, including the beach, is accessible with ramps everywhere. You can pick where you're staying if you're willing to pay a premium, otherwise you get allocated your area when you check in. We're staying in a dog-friendly caravan. I'll show you around the caravan, the site, and I will share the prices we paid at the end. And I will say that it's incredible value for a UK park of this size. For those of you wanting to bring your dog, Trecco Bay welcomes your four-legged companions for a small fee of £50 each, and there's a maximum of 2 dogs to a caravan. So let's go take a look at the caravan. But the real magic of Trecco Bay lies in its incredible range of activities and facilities, which you're going to find here, guys, at the Pavillion and Activity Hub. This is where everything is. All of the food, gift shops, amenities, entertainment and activities. And for most activities here at Trecco Bay, you'll need to book your slots in advance. I highly recommend either heading online once you've checked in or visiting Activity Hub as soon as you arrive to secure your spots. You don't want to get disappointed. Especially during peak season, trust me, you don't want to miss out. It's been really busy. On our right here is the Showdome. It's where all the entertainment happens on the evening. The kids' entertainment, including the Parkdean troopers and the Starling crew, are here, and the kids can even take part in dance competitions and discos. There's also singers and live shows to keep the whole family entertained. For the adults looking for a bit of nostalgia, Trecco Bay hosts themed celebrity weekenders where you can party the night away with stars from the 80s, the 90s and noughties. Now, the absolute highlight of Parkdean Trecco Bay is the swimming facilities. They have a massive indoor swimming pool with a brilliant indoor water slide. And I want to say thank you to the great staff who let me in to show you before they opened. You have to come here and experience it for yourself. Speaking of swimming, out of season you can usually book your swimming slots on the day, which offers you a lot more flexibility. This is a Sportsman Bar and Terrace. It's a pub with pool tables, a singing pod and a gorgeous sun terrace overlooking the splash pad with raining palm trees, play areas, and it has beautiful sea views. You'll also find Thunderbird fried chicken here as well. So a burger will set you back £7.99 or a meal will be £11.99. That's their standard. Your Aloha surf theme bar in front of us as soon as you walk in. And on the right hand side you have the Boathouse, which is a really cool nautical themed restaurant and pub. It's open for breakfast and then it's open for lunch and dinner. You can get a proper Costa coffee in here as well, and it's got a really good beer garden which is shared with the Sportsman Bar, which I just showed you. The beer garden even has large TV screens outside, which is great for when the football's on, and it's such a great place when the sun's out. You could spend literally hours out there, guys. To make things even easier for you during your staycation, Parkdean has an app where you can order your food and drinks directly to your table or to your caravan, or you can use their click and collect service to avoid any queues. There's a ridiculous amount of places to eat at Trecco Bay Holiday Park. I'll point them out on the way around. So you have your coffee on the park here. So again, Costa coffees, a small $2.45, a regular $3.40, mochas, hot chocolates, soft drinks. On your left is the stage where the Parkdean troopers sometimes come out and sing. This is Funtasia. Now Funtasia is where you get all your arcades and your games. There's 2p pushers, grabbing machines, basketball hoops, etc. And you'll also access the pool through there as well. The tandoori chicken here is on your right hand side. It's an Indian themed restaurant. Prices are between £7 to £10 for a main meal, which, as you know, if you go to an Indian restaurant anywhere, they're normally really expensive. So to have that sort of prices here on site on a holiday park, I think that's an absolute bargain, to be honest with you. Unfortunately, I can't film in there because it's closed. So you've got a Burger King, a 10-pin bowling alley, and also a soft play centre. Here, for the creative minds, you have art and crafts den, a Make-A-Bear, pottery painting, and also a sensory playroom just here. You can do tie-dye, sand art, pottery painting, all sorts. And here you've got Hook a Duck and some carnival games. Scoops here on your left-hand side, guys, is absolutely amazing. They sell ice cream, donuts, and these loaded waffles that are filled with ice cream. I highly recommend them. You've got Game Junction, which is just like more arcades. They also call the bingo here throughout the day, almost constantly. They're literally doing it right now, actually. On your right hand side as well is where you'll find the adult only games, arcades and casinos. Now this is the reception on your right, which I told you about earlier. This is where you check in and you also return your keys when you check out in the hole just behind this wall. And to your left is the parking I was telling you about earlier on when you first arrive. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please consider liking and subscribing. It's free and it really helps me out. There'll be lots more of this type of content coming. In front of us is the Activity Hub. It's right ahead of us just there. It's where you book everything you want to do and also you pick up your pedal carts. So again, like I said, when you first come, Go and check in and then go straight to the activity hub and book in your slot, whatever you want to do. You got Nissa on your left. It's expensive and you'll pay a premium for the convenience of being on site. A little tip for you instead is just to go down to do your shopping in Aldi in Porthcawl. It's close to Sandy Bay Beach and it's far cheaper. There's also a co-op just outside the site as well. You've got fish and chippery just there as well in front of us. Please, whatever you do, do not order from there. We had the fish and chips and sausages and all of it was cold. I should have looked on Google before buying it and I wouldn't have bothered. They have 1.7 stars on Google with nearly every review complaining about the same thing. Again, pop into Porthcawl, which is a short walk away, and get some chips from there for a lot less. The chippy here is an absolute joke. You've got Papa John's as well. In front of us you'll find the laundrette as well, so if you're coming on holiday for more than a few nights you might want to get some washing done in there. You pick up your tokens from reception and you just take them in there. You've got your rock shop in front of us as well, so they sell lots of sticker rock in there, Welsh fudge, nuggets, all sorts of things. And then you've got a little surf shop and also the gift shop in there as well, so you can pick up your Parkdean Trecco Bay merchandise, your Welsh, your Wales magnets, sweets, sticks of rock in there as well, and you can also get toys like Lego in there as well. And just around the corner here is for the thrill seekers. Let's take a look. Just look at this sheer variety on offer. You can try your hand at archery here with beginner and advanced sessions available, or there's a really cool activity called gel blasters, which is a bit like paintball but without the mess afterwards. There's a brilliant climbing wall or high ropes course if you're feeling brave, and a bungee trampoline as well. These activities generally have an additional cost to your hub passes, so factor that into your holiday budget. For example, the pedal carts are £13, adventure golf costs £5, high ropes costs £14 for 45 minutes, and the bungee trampoline is £5. Your archery, I believe, is £8.50, and gel blasters will set you back £10.50. But that's not all. For some more relaxed fun, you've also got the sports courts, which is like football and basketball as well, which are completely free. Now, I've done some reading and it seems that Parkdean Trecco Bay offers different activity cards where you can bundle a number of activities together for a better price, but the real steal has to be the unlimited activities pass, which is just £55 per person. Considering the sheer amount on offer, that's an absolute bargain, I think. It's impossible to come here on holiday and be bored. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's talk about the stunning beaches right on your doorstep here at Parkdean Trecco Bay. You're actually spoilt for choice with 2 beautiful beaches right on your doorstep, but here in Porthcawl there's actually 7 beaches. My favourite's got to be Rest Bay, but it does get busy during the summer months. Newton Bay on site is fantastic for dogs owners as it's friendly all year round, so your furry family members can enjoy the sand and sea during your stay too. The main Trecco Bay beach itself is a beautiful stretch of sand and has proudly held its blue flag status for an incredible 14 consecutive years, which means it's clean, safe and perfect for a traditional UK seaside holiday. It's also lifeguarded during the summer months between May and October, offering you peace of mind for families. However, do remember that Trecco Bay Beach has restrictions for dogs during these months, so plan accordingly if you're bringing your dogs with you. Just look at it, guys. You can sit here for absolutely hours enjoying the sun and just a beautiful blue sky and beautiful blue sea. Why would you want to be anywhere else? They have some of the best beaches in Wales. Bear in mind, guys, there's no seating on the beach anywhere over here. There's no benches or anything, so you're going to have to bring your own beach chairs or your towels or picnic blankets if you're going to spend the day here. And just over there, ahead of us, just over there, that's Ogmore-on-Sea. That's also a fantastic little place to go as well. Nice little beach there, and there's also some ruins of a castle which you can go have a look at as well, Ogmore Castle. I highly recommend going there. It's one of my favourite places to go with the kids. Whether you're looking for non-stop family fun or to soak in the peaceful coastal views, Trecco Bay offers you the best of both worlds. It truly has something for everyone. So how much did a 4-night stay outside of half-term cost? Do you think that's reasonable? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. It's free and it really helps me out. And if you want to see more content from the UK staycations, you can click on these videos just here. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, take care.